United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 59, basis for the resolution of conflicts regarding the attribution of rights and jurisdiction in the exclusive economic zone, in cases where this convention does not attribute rights or jurisdiction to the coastal state or to other states within the exclusive economic zone, and a conflict arises between the interests of the coastal state and any other state or states. The conflict should be resolved on the basis of equity and in the light of all the relevant circumstances, taking into account the respective importance of the interests involved to the parties, as well as to the international community as a whole.